Hello guys, today's tutorial I will show you how you can remove background green screen just using Adobe Premiere Pro in a simple way. Let's just scale it a little bit. Then let's go to Effect Control and searching for Ultra key as you can see here. Then let's drag it here. Let's go to Effect Control, then using the key color, and let's click over here, and as you can see it's clearly disappeared without any problem. And you can match some settings, but I think it's uh, it's good now. So as you can see guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you in the next video.